know.
It's not that far north.
Caleb said that he didn't see it. It's turning, man. Yep.
It's not as far north as your guys' places.
Oh boy, there it is. It's turning up.
It's going right towards my house is where it's going. It's
Are you
right there.
Or are they in school?
Laura's at the high school.
Well, let's go to. We're going to head back to Chrysler. I'm sure they're right in the path too.
Do you guys want to go there now?
We get to pick up all the mess. The last one we hit, we was there a couple hours afterwards.
Right there. The high school.
Look at that small car.
Alright, I'm gonna go check on my house.